N5 Basic Japanese Lesson 10 Vocabulary. Arimasu, arimasu, exist or be. It is referring to inanimate things. So, Minnasan, in previous lesson, you have learned arimasu as have. Like, kuruma ga arimasu, I have car. Keitai ga arimasu, I have mobile. But in this lesson, you learn arimasu as exist or be. For example, computer ga arimasu. Computer ga arimasu. There is a computer. And koen ga arimasu. Koen ga arimasu. There is a park. Imasu. Imasu. Exist or be. And it is for animate things. For example, inu ga imasu. Inu ga imasu. There is a dog. And otoko no kou ga imasu. Otoko no kou ga imasu. There is a boy. Iroiro. It is a na type adjective. Iroiro na. Various. Iroiro na. Iroiro na tokoro. Iroiro na tokoro. Various places. Otoko no hito. Otoko no hito. Man. Onna no hito. Onna no hito. Woman. Otoko no ko. Otoko no ko. Boy. Onna no ko. Onna no ko. Girl. Inu. Inu. Dog. Neko. Neko. Cat. Panda. 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 Zoo. Zoo. Elephant. Key. Key. Tree. Mono. Mono. Things. Denchi. Denchi. Battery. Hako. Hako. Box. Switchy. Switchy. Switch. Reizouko. Reizouko. Refrigerator. Table. 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 Beddo. Beddo. Bed. Tana. Tana. Shelf. Doa. Doa. Door. Mado. Mado. Window. Posto. Posto. Post box. Biru. Biru. Building. So, Minnasan, have you watched my reel of Japanese pronunciation? If not, then go watch it fast. You will find the difference between biru and biru. So, the link is in my description. ATM. ATM. Cash machine. Kombini. Kombini. Convenience store. Kombini. Koen. Koen. Park. Kissaten. Kissaten. Cafe or coffee shop. Noriba. Noriba. A fixed place to catch taxis and trains. Ue. Ue. On, above. Teburu no ue ni shashin ga arimasu. Teburu no ue ni shashin ga arimasu. There is a photograph on the table. Shita. Shita. Under, below. Teburu no shita ni neko ga imasu. Teburu no shita ni neko ga imasu. There is a cat under the table. Mae. Mae. Front. For example, eki no mae ni kissaten ga arimasu. There is a cafe in front of the station. Ushiro. Ushiro. Back. Behind. For example, ushiro no doa o shimete kudasai. Please close the door behind you. Migi. Migi. Right side. For example, migi o muite kudasai. Please turn to the right. hidari, hidari, left side. For example, hidari no te, left hand, migi no te, right hand. Naka, naka, inside. For example, biru no naka, inside the building. Biru no naka. Soto, soto, outside. For example, soto de tabemashou ka? Shall we eat outside? Soto de tabemashou ka? Tonari, tonari, next or next door. For example, cafe wa kaisha no tonari ni arimasu. The cafe is next to the company. Cafe wa kaisha no tonari ni arimasu. Chikaku, chikaku, near. For example, chikaku ni eki ga arimasu. Chikaku ni eki ga arimasu. There is a station nearby. Aida, aida, between. Inu wa haha to ototo no aida ni imasu. Inu wa haha to ototo no aida ni imasu. The dog is in between mother and little brother. Ya, nado, ya, nado, and so on. When you want to enumerate two or more representative items, like for example, tegami ya shashin, letters and photographs, or nado is like etc. For example, tegami ya shashin nado, letters and photographs etc. Domo sumimasen, domo sumimasen. Thank you. Nampura, nampura, nampla. Kona, kona, corner section. Ichiban shita, ichiban shita, the bottom. Hi Minnasan, mite kurete arigatou. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video then don't forget to like, subscribe and share. So mata ne, bye bye.